To convert your image in RGB in Photoshop, you need to go to right here, image option, the option bar. Next you take your cursor to mode. Now once you take your cursor to mode, a list of color mode will appear, and from there you just simply choose RGB color. So you can see that my image is already in RGB color mode, so I don't need to check that. So if your image in other form like CMYK, lab color or multi-channel, you just click on RGB, and yes, your image will be converted in RGB. Also you can see right in here in the window bar, it says RGB as well. So yeah, that's the way you do it.